Guys, so today I actually have RJ with me. He stopped by, so we're making a very random, just guys day out video, and we're starting off here at the abandoned car wash. Then we're going to make our way to the cement factory.
Saying that it's never too soon. So are you ready to rock? Fella, don't ever stop. We are on a crash course of freedom, and we can go as long as we want. Yeah. Drop fast, let go. Hands up, wind blows. Soundtrack, stone cold. We'll sit back and turn it up. Now here we go. Calling all my friends, we're
Okay, so we just got to the location of the cement factory now that we got done playing with the drone and the cars. We're about to head in now. This is his first time actually checking this place out. So, should be a good first time. Yeah.
Didn't one of them go in this?
Cliff did, yeah.
He did? See, I don't have the lighting for that. This goes pretty far, right?
Yeah.
Wow. How far did he go?
Up to about where you can see through that one side. I guess it's like a little door or something over there.
Door's still working. Huh. Looks like something's living in here.
Yeah, the one thing we didn't do is nobody climbed all the way up that, but
I was just looking at that, man. I'll do it.
just if you don't trust it, I wouldn't go all the way up.
See how, I mean, it's steel, so it's not. I don't see why it wouldn't be a. Did anybody go up it at all?
Not enough.
Alright, here goes balls of steel. Why did they put that there?
Yeah, it's kind of a weird setup. See the rest of it now, don't you?
Yeah. Holy shit. Alright, you know what? I don't know. Kind of need a camera.
So he's actually going up this, which when we were here last time, nobody wanted to go up. He's doing it. This steady and zoom in. So he made it. Anything good up there?
There's a motor up here. The wood's not real good, so let me get the solid part.
So he said that the platform up there is actually wood, which it probably is, considering mostly all the platforms around here are wood. So definitely hope he's careful up there. But he survived, he did it. Hopefully come back down now. How's the view?
Blocked by a lot of trees.
I actually could have sworn I heard somebody talking, so.
Can you stand closer to the ladder?
Yeah.
Looking up at it. That's how far up I just climbed.
So he's saying there's another small ladder up top. I'm not sure what it goes to. I don't know what the view looks like from up there. I don't really know what's all up there that he can see. I do know there's a lot of rust and debris falling from up top. As he's walking, I can hear it coming down on the leaves that are right here behind me. I don't know if he's going to have the video up for it or not yet. But anything that I do gather from him, whether it be a link to a video or if he sends me any footage, I'm going to make sure I include that or include the link down in the description. It's been up there for quite a while, so I hope he found something good. Okay. All right, he's getting ready to come down now.
I'll give you the best view of my ass I can give you. Laura will like that.
Yeah, actually, since you're up there, you can probably just walk straight across this to get to the other section.
Yeah. Over to here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to climb up that little hill over there, but you're already right there.
Well,
so
if you come up right here, you should be able to get right on.
okay. Sit that down. Let's give it a more solid spot there.
Oh God, this does suck. Hey, if I can go all the way up there, you can come up here. Oh wow, look at the ash in here. Whoa. Yeah, just try to step where the bolts are, or out along the edges on the steel.
Yeah, so this is a... That's a bad piece. Even that one's bad. Holy crap. So both of these pieces of wood are not attached anymore. So is the view actually nice up there? Like,
Oh my
you see
God.
anything
Once I got
cool?
up over the trees, I could see everything over there.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got video, I'll show you. Watch that stuff. ash in here. God, I wish I had some lights.
Oh, yeah.
See anything?
Yeah, I got the night vision on in there. It's just weird. I don't think when we came last time, these boards were broken out. I remember it being like this.
The rot, storms and stuff. You never know. There's other people who've been here since.
Oh, I know other people have been here.
Crazy how that wall is falling down. The trees are holding it up. Now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, yeah. I didn't even realize that. Yeah, that wall is actually falling down.
The trees are holding it up.
Yeah. Actually, this wasn't, and I think I know what it's doing here. Yeah. Okay, so I wasn't here that long ago when I did that review for the microphones. Somebody actually put up a target board here. Well, a board, turned it into a target board. Yeah, somebody put paper targets up and shot ammunition through it. Look at that. Yeah, this was put here really recently. Like,
Yeah, there's all kinds of tire tracks over here too.
yeah.
Somebody's been riding quads or something up on that.
Yeah. This didn't look like this at all. And I was just here doing that microphone review.
Shotgun stuff.
Here you go. So someone was up here shooting off a shotgun. Look at
Little cross beams are?
yeah.
Just step on those.
So guys, actually, we were just down there. We're up here now. Before we go check out the rest of everything else that is here, happen to notice that this door is actually now pried open, which before, if you remember in my video, I actually had to
The bottom of it's missing too.
yeah, the bottom is how I got in last time.
Oh, okay.
And this door was sealed shut. Can't believe how much people vandalized. Probably a nice shot of the cars though.
Oh yeah, perfect shot.
So watch that. Watch the hole.
Somebody left the power on. Be nice and turn it off for him. Save some energy. The motor says Dodge on it.
Does it?
Dodge size TD5. And this one's free. I'm actually turning the belt. The belt's moving.
I see that. Hopefully you don't make the whole place collapse though. Wouldn't that be something? It's like, what does this button do? Kills us.
Did you notice this before? Did you notice this before?
What? No, I didn't.
I just saw it coming across that hole. You can get down in there. There's steps right there.
Yeah.
But to remember that for next time.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if we can
Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna make our way over to the rest of what's here. I don't remember if the back door's open or not.
Dark video in here. It is pitch black.
You got a light on your phone or no?
Oh, you want my phone?
Housekeeping? Whoa. Somebody trashed this up a lot since last time. Wow. Yeah, somebody threw the fridge. The fridge used to be up in the corner, I believe.
Wow.
And this table was actually upside down. Why do people have to do this? Really? Yeah, this didn't look like this. We could go out the basement. Oh man. Floor feels a lot weaker, but somebody really trashed this place a lot more than it was. Yeah, guys, I know last time when I came here to do the review for the mics, I had said that somebody really trashed this place up a lot more. But they actually did a lot worse now. I'm going to take an assumption and say it's whoever's actually shooting off the shotgun shells. I want to say they're the ones that came in here and cause even more vandalism. You know, this is a shame too because it really ruins it for people. And I just can't get over the fact of how much vandalism just happened within the past like 2 weeks. It's unbelievable. Totally unbelievable.
Was this phone book here before?
Yeah.
See this?
Yep.
Resistant rubber. It's actually in really good shape for monthly inspection. 96, 229.96. Oh, can't forget the Granger catalog. Yeah, everybody's got the Granger catalog. Police. Fuck the police. Fuck the police.
didn't see this last time. I didn't realize there was another garage door and a whole other side of stuff over here.
Wow.
A lot of packing. Yeah. I wonder why somebody was throwing this stuff out there.
Because they're idiots.
But like, what's the purpose of doing this?
Be cool.
Why would you waste your time?
They're idiots. There's nothing else better to do. They weren't followed without their children. Mommy didn't love them enough. What's that?
Ooh,
Where's our bone girl? Oh, you missed it. Need our bone expert.
Wonder what that is. Wonder if it's a cat. I think it's a cat.
That's what I'm thinking.
Look, you can see a
Yeah.
part of the head and the whiskers.
Yep.
Oh. Oh yeah, there's the tail still. It's not all totally gone.
It was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Poor little kitty. Wonder what the hell ate the cat there, or if it just happened to die.
Yeah, even the gauge cluster's smashed.
Hey guys, so there's actually more shells on the ground, all right over here. Actually, looks like a fireworks launcher as well. We're gonna make our way up. A little bit of a painful hike, but we were up to where we wanted to be. Our adventure is actually going to stop here. We're not going to go all the way back. We still want to save that place for a later time. We just did this kind of quick just to show him since he stopped by. But we are going to get him going up on top of this.
Are you ready to see somebody's need for speed? I can put our wings in the wind faster than you could ever believe. Are you ready to rock? Fun that don't ever stop. We are on a crash course of freedom that's running on as long as we want. Drive fast, let go. Hands up, wind blows. Soundtrack, stone cold. Sit back and turn it up, now here we go. Calling all my friends for a race. Revving up the engines, we ain't going nowhere slower. Fast cars and wild hearts, a better life. Heading to the top, you'll see us. Trying to be the best, no secret. Never touch the brakes to keep it. Fast cars and wild hearts, a better life. Are you ready to move? Now that we got you loose, oh, I can hear the birds waking early to saying that it's never too soon. So are you ready to rock? Fella, don't ever stop. We are on a crash course of freedom and we can go as long as we want. Yeah. Drop fast, let go. Hands up, wind blows. Soundtrack, stone cold. We'll sit back and turn it up, now here we go. Calling all my friends for a race. Revving up the engines, we ain't going nowhere slower. Fast cars and wild hearts, a better life. Heading to the top, you'll see us. Trying to be the best, no secret.
think it's those ones that are bad anyway. I know one of them didn't have steps. Pretty solid.
Yeah, I know somebody who doesn't really particularly like walking across things like this. Which in a way I can kind of see why, but...
Looks like you had a little patch job there.
Yeah, there's a couple of them. There's one there, one here, over there.
Yeah, because like, this actually is one that connects and goes to another one that's back further.
If you want to read that, pause the video. What is that? Looks like some kind of giant bird's nest up there.
Oh yeah.
There's the shaker. See the springs on it. There's another staircase over there. Let's see what lies ahead.
Wow, a lot of this wood's falling down from up top.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Look at all this. So this place is definitely decaying fast. A lot quicker than, well, a lot more anyways happened since last time being here. I wonder if that's whatever killed the cat.
Maybe. Good possibility. Yeah, that was definitely a shaker. Those springs on it. It just keeps going up and up and up.
Look, it looks like something used to be attached there that would actually go out to somewhere.
Yeah, it's like a little, what do you call it? Hoist. What's the name for it? It rolls. So they probably had like a chain hoist on here or something so they can roll it out, which is rusted in place.
So it's not going to move.
They can roll it out, lift it up, bring it in, set it down. Any heavy objects are too much to handle by hand to carry up the steps. Bringing me was probably a bad idea.
I would just be careful on this one.
Yeah.
So I don't trust this for shit.
Well, I'm not going to go up there, obviously, but I just want to go up and just poke my head out, see what it
Yeah.
looks like. Wow.
Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Definitely. Okay.
I figured I'd be able to see you from out here.
Of course.
Just hanging out on the side of the rusty old building, you know.
You have nothing to fear but fear itself.
So this actually must have been a piece to initially walk on that.
Hang 10, dude. Yep, sand in the shoes.
Yeah, you see how your feet sink though?
Oh my god, yeah.
But you actually come down so easy.
It's like skiing.
Right? You see why I was like starting to enjoy it a little bit?
Yep.
But you guys, make sure you stay around for when we do the full revisit of this place. What's that? Rudely something interrupted my ending.
Bag. Some sort. That could be your new camera bag.
Shot.
Actually, it's like a bowling ball bag.
Anyway, so guys, once he gets his footage up, once he gets his footage up from the spots that I wouldn't climb, which would be over there and up on top of there, we'll be able to see what that looks like, and I will have that linked at the end of the video. So, until next time.
In case you guys are trying to, you know, have some fun with that, just be prepared for that.
See you guys in the next video.
The apocalypse.